Namaste children. We are in worksheet 4, subtraction and check your answer. Here, arrange the numbers in columns in each question and subtract. Also, check your answer. Here we have two numbers in our first question. 6253 is the first number and the second number is 2678. First we will write the place values on top of the numbers. 3 will be in ones place, 5 in tens place, 2 in hundreds place and 6 in thousands place. The same way for the second number also we will write 8 in ones place, 7 in tens place, 6 in hundreds place and 2 in thousands place. Then we will make a tabular column. We'll write the place values in the first row. Ones column, tens column, hundreds column and thousands column. Now we'll place the numbers according to the place values. The first number is 3 in ones place, 5 in tens place, 2 in hundreds place, 6 in thousands place. Now the second number is 8 in ones place, 7 in tens place, 6 in hundreds place and 2 in thousands place. Now we'll start our subtraction because here we have a minus sign and that minus sign we have to place here next to the table. According to the minus sign we should do our subtraction now. Let's start from the ones column. And always for subtraction the greater number should be at the top. But here you have to subtract 8 from 3. So it is not possible. What we will do? We will borrow from the neighbors column. So if we take 1 from 5, then this number will be 4 and this 1 will sit in ones column. This 3 will sit next to the 1. Now this number becomes 13. 13 minus 8. Now we can do subtraction. 13 minus 8 is 5. Now in tens column, here 4 minus 7. Again, we should borrow 1 from the neighbors column as we cannot subtract 7 from 4. If we take 1 from here, then this number becomes 1 and this 1 will sit in tens column. Now 14 minus 7. How much children? It is 7. Now check in hundreds column. What are the numbers? 1 minus 6. So again what we have to do? We should borrow 1 from neighbors column, that is from thousands column. So if we take 1 from this number will become 5 and this 1 will sit in hundreds column. Now 11 minus 6. How much it is? 5. Now we have 5 minus 2 in thousands column. 5 minus 2 is 3. Now this is called the difference of these two numbers. After subtracting 2678 from 6253, the difference is 3575. But how do you make sure that the result is correct or not? Look, there is a way to check your answer. Let's check it out. Here we will do our checking process. We will write here checking. In checking also, we have to make a tabular column like this way. First we will write the place values in the first column. Here children, remember what are the numbers we are taking here? The difference. So whatever the answer, whatever the difference you got from these two numbers, that we will take. So shall we take that number first? So whatever the difference is there, that we are taking, and that also, children, please have a look here. According to the place values we have to write. See here, 5 in ones place, 7 in tens place, 5 in hundreds place, and 3 in thousands place. And now which number we are going to take? The second number. So here the second number we are taking here. Second number also according to the place values we have to write. So 8 in ones place, 7 in tens place, 6 in hundreds place, 2 in thousands place. Children, what we did here? After doing subtraction, this is our first number, this is our second number, and this is the difference of these two numbers. We are taking a difference of these two numbers. See, this is our difference, and the second number we are taking. Now we have to add. What we are doing now here? Adding. So plus sign next to the table, we are making plus sign. We are adding these two numbers now. Shall we add now? Now see here, children, in ones, let's start from the ones column. 5 plus 8, how much? It is 13. So as we have two digits here, the first digit will sit in ones place, and this will go to the next column as a carry forward. So how will you write now here? We will write it as a plus 1. Yes, children? Now we have to add 1 plus 7, 8, 8 plus 7, 15. So again you are getting two digits. So two digits means the first digit will sit in tens place, and this one will go to the next column as a carry forward. That is like plus 1. Now here in hundreds column, what are the numbers? Plus 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 6. How much? Again two digits. So the first digit will sit in hundreds column, and this will go to the next column as a carry forward. So here, children, now plus 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 2, 6. Now here have a look. What is our first number? 6253. Now after adding the difference and the second number, what is your answer? 6253. So that is your question, and whatever your answer, it is correct. In this way we have to check our subtraction. Children, now the second one is, here we have two numbers, 7577 and 1999. We'll write the place values. According to the place values, we'll place the numbers. This is the first number and this is the second number. Now we'll do a subtraction. Let's start from the ones column. Here we have 7 minus 9. It is not possible. So what we will do? We'll borrow from the neighbors column. Now this will become 6, and this one will sit in ones column. 7 here. Now 17 minus 9. How much? It is 8. Now in tens column we have 6 minus 9. 6 minus 9 is also not possible. We'll borrow from the hundreds column. Here the number will be 4 and this one will sit in tens column here next to the 6. Now 16 minus 9. How much? It is 7. Now in hundreds column we have 4 minus 9. So again we have to borrow 1 from the neighbors column. And this one will sit in hundreds column. 14 minus 9. How much it is? 5. And finally in thousands column we have 6 minus 1. That is 5. So what is the difference now? 5578, and this is our first number, this is our second number. This is the difference of these two numbers. Now for checking, right here for checking. Checking, what we have to do now? We have to take the difference. See children, here difference, what is the difference of these two numbers? 8 in ones place, 7 in tens, 5 in hundreds, again 5 in thousands. And now which number you have to take from these two? Second number. So place the second number here. 9, 9, 9, 1. And now which sign? Plus. Start doing addition. Let's start from the ones column. 8 plus 9. How much? 17. In that 17, 7 will sit here and 1 will go to the tens column as a carry forward. Now 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 9, 17. So 17 means again we will have 7 in tens column and 1 in hundreds column. Now 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 9 is how much children? 15. In that 5 will be here and 1 will be in thousands column as carry forward. So 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. Now just observe here. First we did subtraction and this is the difference. For checking, the difference and the second number we have added. The difference and the second number. And finally whatever the answer you are getting, that will be your first number. See here, 7577, 7577. In this third question, we have to subtract 3915 from 7361. Here this is our first number and this is our second number. Write the place values, place the numbers according to the place values in the tabular column. And here minus sign. Let's start from the ones column. We have to subtract 1 minus 5. It is not possible. Then we should borrow 1 from the neighbors column, from tens column. Now this number will be 5 and this one will sit here. And this one sit here. So now the number becomes 11. 11 minus 5. How much children it is? 6. In tens column, 5 minus 1. We need not to borrow. So here the greater number at the top. 5 minus 1 is 4. And now in hundreds column, we have to subtract 9 from 3. Again we should borrow 1 from neighbors column. So from here, this becomes 6 and this one will sit in hundreds column and this 3. Now this number becomes 13. So 13 minus 9. How much, children, it is? 4. And here now we have 6 minus 3 in thousands column. 6 minus 3 is 3. And now this is the difference of these two numbers. Here this is the number 1 and this is the number 2 and this is a difference. And for checking now, we have to take the difference of these two numbers according to the place values and the second number. What is your second number? Yes. Now what we have to do, children? Addition. Let's start from ones column. 6 plus 5. How much? 11. So 11 means here the 1 will sit in ones column and this one will go to the next column as a carry forward. Now in tens column we have 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. In hundreds column, 4 plus 9. How much? 13. Again 3 here in hundreds column and 1 in thousands column as a carry forward. Now 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. Let's check, children, here. This is the difference and here the second number. After adding these two numbers, you will get the first number, 7361, and here also the sum of these two numbers is 7361. In this way, we have to check the result. Now the fourth one. We have to subtract 3485 from 6000. Write the place values on top of the numbers and place the numbers according to the place values in the tabular column and place the minus sign here next to the tabular column. Now let's start from ones column. We have to subtract 5 from 0. It is not possible. So we'll borrow from tens column. Here also we are having 0. Then go to the neighbors column, that is hundreds column. Here also we are having 0. Then go to the thousands column. From here we'll borrow 1. Now this number becomes 5 and this 1 will sit in hundreds column and 0 here. Now tens column can borrow from hundreds column. After giving 1 to tens column, this becomes 9 and this 1 will sit in tens column. Now this number becomes 10 in tens column. Now for ones column, we can borrow from tens column. After giving 1, this becomes 9 and this 1 will sit in ones column and this 0 here. Now 10 minus 5 is 5. In tens column we have 9 minus 8, that is 1. Now in hundreds column we have 9 minus 4 is 5. In thousands column we have 5 minus 3, that is 2. Now this is the difference of these two numbers. This is the first number, this is the second number and this is the difference of these two numbers. Now for checking, how will you do checking? What are the numbers we are going to take now? Here we have to take the difference. What is the number here? 2515. And the second number. What is the second number? 3485. Now what you have to do? Addition. Let's start adding from ones column. In ones column we have 5 plus 5, 10. So 0 in ones column and 1 in tens column as a carry forward. Now in tens column we have 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 8 10. 0 in tens column and this one in hundreds column as the carry forward. Now in hundreds column 1 plus 5 6, 6 plus 4 10. Again 0 in hundreds column and 1 will go to the thousands column as a carry forward. Now in thousands column we have 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 6. See children here, after adding these two numbers, whatever the answer, that is same as the first number. In this way we have to check the answer after subtracting the difference and the second number we are adding here, and after adding these two numbers, whatever the answer we are getting, that should be same as to the first number. In that way we should check our answer. Thank you.